We are all, capital letters, all, A-L-L. We are all bridges of light and shadow. We can bridge the gap from the shadow to the light. We have seen it being done before with people that are light workers, such as Martin Luther King Jr. There's many, many more. We need to shade the shadow and the light. The shading is what allows the image to emerge, just like an artist. A painting is static, doesn't have emotion or feeling or depth if you don't have shading. Our lives, our purpose here is for the shading. Too many people, myself included for a long time, stay in the shadow. If we only stay in the shadow, we only see divisiveness. We only see difference. We only see black and white. We only see the division of light and shadow. We only see hate. We only see other. If we only have a goal to just be in the light, we miss the great lesson in this life. We are here together as a collective to be in the gray, to live in the gray, to live in the shading, to allow the image to emerge. We have within us the brush strokes to make a beautiful picture of light. We are the bridges between the light and shadow. Every single one of us. We can choose to stay in the shadow and pull more into the shadow. And it just never allows the image we all desire to emerge. And as light workers and people doing good in the world, if we only stay in the light, if we only stay in what's just positive, what is higher, then we miss the opportunity to be part of the bridge that is needed from every single one of us, those in the shadow and those in the light. Not one is better than the other. Not one is holier than the other. But staying in the shadow only and staying in the light only is the same. We need to be courageous enough to meet each other at the bridge and continue to be the bridge so that we can shade the colors of black and white, the colors of light and shadow, and live in the gray to allow the image to emerge. And we all are the artists. We all take part in creating that image we all so desire of love and peace and unity, but also to recognize the work it took to get there. To also realize the lessons learned, the struggles, the heartache, the pain it took to get there. We live in that gray together. We honor the shadow. We celebrate the light. We are all here doing this work together. Let the shadow be the teacher, and let the light move us forward. The reason we are here on this planet together is to be in the gray. That is the best part of this life. And to do it in unity, to shade and bring that picture to life. And when we honor both the shadow and the light, and we honor working in that gray together to make not a perfect image. There is no perfect image of what we want the world to be. It doesn't matter the outcome of that image. It's the fact that we did it together, and we were courageous enough and determined enough and passionate enough to live in that gray. Let the shadow be your teacher, and let the light carry us forward. I love you all.